prove that we're in the salon and you're about to have this waxing done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm very, very nervous. Okay. Bye. Before the storm. Oh, God.
Okay, relax.
Okay.
Relax. The more you relax, the less painful it is. Is that heat all right for you?
Yeah.
How about that?
That was okay, actually. Round soup. Oh, it's a bit warm. Sorry, no, it didn't even hurt.
Yeah, super painful.
Wax the whole thing. No, she's just a good friend of ours.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a bit of a...
When you
I
thought you bottled out.
Well, I was having a little walk around Selfridges actually, trying to get the courage. But, oh well. So this is apparently attracted with gay men.
Oh, what was my fancy straight actually?
Really?
Yeah.
I'm
Girlfriend's worth it.
Really?
Yeah.
I've got to find myself a girlfriend now then, and I'll,
Show it off.
yeah.
Right, you can turn over now for me.
Yeah. Oh.
Right. Okay. You're almost there. Right. It's quite thick.
Yeah, I'm not really bothered about that. It's just the thing is just the back sack and crack.
Yeah.
So, I don't
I'd
know.
probably say we go more all underneath rather than actually on here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because otherwise I think they're going to be a bit sensitive.
What about the balls?
No, they're not too thin. Probably do some.
Right.
What I think we're probably best to do is put slightly here,
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
then keep all
Yeah.
that back there.
Yeah, we'll keep all of that.
I'll get you to do some stretching and things like that.
Some stretching.
Yeah, for what we need to do to make it then more comfortable.
Right.
Which I'll get you to do, tell you what to do, when.
This is going to be the painful bit. Is it going to be more painful than the other bit, or about the same?
Just a little bit.
Oh. I need to keep a strip of wax for them. Shit! That was really bad. I'm just the biggest wimp ever. This is the last one on this side. Please.